right, so you pull up to the outside of the building. This unit does come with assigned parking. All right, so sorry for the dirt on the door, guys. But as we walk through the front door, we go straight into the kitchen. Now, the kitchen has cherry wood cabinets with a black marble countertop. There is a space for the stove right beside the front door and an alcove for the refrigerator off to the left. This is a two-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment that's roughly about 950 square feet. Off to the right of the kitchen, the first thing that we're going to step into is the secondary bedroom with two beautiful windows that let in some natural light. It does have its own ensuite bathroom. Unfortunately, there's no tub, but there is a shower and a pedestal sink. So this bathroom is definitely going to need some additional storage space. There is a closet. So this bedroom for me will double as a guest bedroom as well as my office. So that closet is going to double as storage space for me. Um, then, of course, back into the kitchen area, we do step into the half bath. Of course, again, it's lacking some storage, so we're going to have to put some storage there. This is the pantry or the linen closet. Personally, I'm going to use it for the linen closet just to store like my sheets and my towels and things like that. And then now we're off to the laundry room. And I like that it's tucked away behind these little doors so you can keep it clean and tidy. There is going to be a stackable washer dryer here, and I'm also going to do built-ins for like brooms and mops and things like that um, in the laundry room just so that I can keep things organized. This is the living and dining space. The spaces are separated by the beam in the roof. So now we're looking at the dining room space or the roof of it. And then, of course, onto the living area. So to the right of the dining space is the master bedroom or the main bedroom. Again, two beautiful windows that bring in a lot of natural light in this unit. It does have its own master bath as well with the shower enclosure. And as you can see for the cabinetry, we've incorporated some of the marble countertop again from the kitchen. There is a walk-in closet in this bedroom for myself. I feel like it would be a pretty good size closet. It's smaller than my current closet, but it works. Um, and now I think through the living room, we're off to see the best part of this unit, the back patio. Now, it's a pretty big back patio. I mean, there's a lot of space here to entertain. There is also this gorgeous view of the entire Kingston City. You can see as far down as to downtown to the waterfront. And depending on the time of day, you can see all the way over to Causeway.